Hello everyone. Today we are here with the summary of the book Attitude is Everything by author Jeff Keller. First, what is attitude? It is a perspective of how we act or look upon life. Does a positive attitude really has the power to change your life? The author comes out with the answer yes. Attitude is like the window with which you see the world. If the window, that is your attitude, is clear and positive, the world looks more colorful and beautiful. It's not the world that looks beautiful, but your attitude towards it. In simple, if you see the life through the filter of optimism, the glass will be half filled. If you see the life through the filter of pessimism, the glass will be half empty. Rather dwelling on problems, concentrate on solutions. Focusing on what's missing, count for the blessings. Make your window clear with positive attitude. There is nothing good or bad, but your thinking makes it. A person stays happy not in a set of circumstances, but with certain set of attitudes. If you believe, then you can achieve. Believing just one time a day and filling the rest of the day with negative attitude will never work. It's like being in diet in morning and having heavy lunch and dinner and complaining that you have not reduced your weight. Think positively that you can do it. What may the situation that doubts your ability? If you can do it, you can do it. Never have the second thought that if I failed, what will be my second option? How much times you failed? Be obstinate with your goal rather searching for second options. Success does not happen overnight. After setting of your goal, visualize your success. Imagination has more power than knowledge. Don't live in the past experience, how painful it may be, have a positive image towards your success. Example, when you are called for delivering a speech in front of thousands of audience, what you will visualize? You become very nervous, don't remember what to say, and imagine that the audience is laughing at you. Instead, give it an image that you are confidently giving a presentation, your delivery is attractive, and finally the audience get a warm round of applause. This positive attitude will get registered in your subconscious mind and you will be getting ready to act upon it. Patient and persistent on your visualization is key to success. Your visual aid should be in such a way that take a check, fill it with amount and date 5 to 10 years from now and paste it where you can see daily. That will itself motivate to achieve the goal on or before the day you mentioned on the check. Be strong in your commitment that will make your door open. Your perseverance towards your goal will get you some way that you least expect it. If you lose your highly paid job, be persistent in your commitment that will itself take you to even more better place. This path will not be filled with roses. Life will test you, bring you obstacles to drain you completely and make you no way to success. But never give up your goals. You are just one step closer to the success. Always success waits at the place where you decided to give up. Thus, have a strongest commitment towards your goal. Try to see positivity or good in everything. Consider a man who was paralyzed in bed for many years. He wasn't in despondency, rather found the opportunity in it by reading several books in bed and at last became the most successful writer. Make your tragedy to victory. When you are going to achieve too big, life hits you too hard. There is no pressure, no diamonds. Adversity teaches to be grateful, brings your hidden potential, encourages to take action, and opens a new door to success. Try to put your thought into positive words. Negative words will always lead to reinforcement of negative belief. Be the light in someone's life rather than bringing darkness. Be the person of spreading positivity within yourself and to others. The words you speak should motivate others. If you keep on grieving that you have nothing, you don't accumulate anything. I can't, I'm not good at, it's impossible. These kinds of affirmation will program your mind for failure. Even the simple answer for the question, how are you, should make your day and someone's day. Don't give your response in negative or mediocre like I'm okay, fine, not too good. Rather, be strong in your positive response like terrific, fantastic, super. Even if your day was not good, this reflect on others' day or the coming days of yours. If you say you are lousy, then it will shown up on your work. Stop complaining about your life and the pain you are facing. Nobody is really interested to hear you. Rather, you are reinforcing your own suffering by accomplishing nothing and getting deviated from the constructive process. There are people whose situation are still worse than ours, but they tend to put smile on their face and upbeat, which is a real positive attitude. Have a habit of counting your blessing rather being a pessimist. Surround yourself with the positive people because we become part of what we are around. Nourishing people does not choke your dream, whereas toxic people hold you back. It is not necessary to disown their relationship. Try correcting them, but don't get dragged to their level. If you want to be successful, confront your fears. Everybody has some sort of fear. For example, when seminar is given, we find reason to escape from it as we need peaceful night sleep. But one who takes a challenge and accept it learn lot more and will be taken to next level. Try to come out of your temporary comfort zone. One who loses courage loses everything. Success comes to those who faces as much as failure without losing hope and enthusiasm. The final one is try building your network of people, which plays a vital role in your development. To enhance this, be a taker and also a giver of your gratitude. Thus, change in attitude does not happen overnight. Try constructing in every single day and be ready to lead most contented and desired life. Hope this video will bring a change in your attitude. If yes, please do subscribe to my channel, give it a like and share it with your friends. Thank you.